Yeah, yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Sis got blah boy, sis got blah boy. Ooh. Sis got blah boy, sis got blah boy. Ooh. Yeah. 901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they.
What's going on, guys? So today we are going to go ride the crazy cart and get some drone footage of the crazy cart, the car. Maybe I'm gonna drift around the car, I'm not sure. We're gonna go and see what we can do. The crazy cart does fit in the back of the Lexus, which is super sick. So just throw it in the back and then go ride. Got my batteries down there. This thing's been breaking a lot, by the way, guys. This thing's been breaking a lot because we've been riding it. Riker's been riding it. Riker broke it. I broke it. But yeah, so Riker brought his drone, so we're gonna get you know, some better drone footage. I'm not the best drone pilot, but he is a certified drone pilot.
Yes, sir.
Certified, right?
Absolutely.
You got your paper though? Can we see it? We need the paper to make sure.
Got an email though.
Oh, we got an email. So yeah, we're gonna go see what we can do. All right, guys. So we just had some dinner at Baba's. Absolutely amazing food. What do you guys think about the food?
Worth it.
Worth it? What do you think, Devin?
Phenomenal. Hello.
Really, really good food. And there's like a little spot right here, a little circle with some nice little bushes. So we're gonna pull the crazy cart out and get this drone in the air and get some footage of the crazy cart. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's over there. So let's get the crazy cart out.
Yeah, yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Sis got blah boy, sis got blah boy. Ooh. Sis got blah boy, sis got blah boy. Ooh. Yeah. 901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they.
Alright guys, so we just pulled up to the next spot. It is a old abandoned Ingalls, I think, maybe a Kroger, I don't know. We got Riker's car right there. We got my car right here. I'm gonna try to get some more drone footage. I think I'm gonna try to go around this car and then back around that car. Kind of do a little crazy 8, I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna hop back over to the drone now.
Yeah. 901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow bound, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. This fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag now. I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags now. I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the woo. 700 3i5s, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I
bitch come through, you and you. I'ma get the money, Drizzy get the loot. Pull up with that Draco, play with Drake and I'ma shoot. My weapon be the instrument, I blow you like a flute. Nigga play so he feelin'. Pull up broad day with the canine shivering. Drop a nigga like he littering. We at your door like we the delivering. He not a plug, he middleman. That nigga brown like cinnamon. I got them round like Sugar Ray Robinson.
Alright guys, that is going to do it for today's video. We are back. I really like that spot. Big open parking lot, got a little clips around the security guards. But it was so much fun, had a great time today. Make sure to smash that like button if you enjoy the crazy cart content. Super excited to start working on this. This is gonna get done very, very soon. Body kit, I'm hoping it'll be here this week. But if not, and when it gets here, we will be throwing it on and getting it ready for paint. Coilover should be going on really soon. Got the wheels, need to go get tires. Got to figure out a tire size for the car. I am gonna be running 18 by 10.5s in the front and rear. So this is gonna be a little aggressive up front. So I'm not sure if they will fit perfectly or not, but we're going to, you know, maybe put some camber in it to make it look absolutely amazing. Lexus has been doing really, really good. Super excited that the Crazy Cart fits in the Lexus. That's my favorite thing, because I can just take the Lexus and go ride the Crazy Cart. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.